Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys our top 5 picks of animals, mobs, and pet mods for Minecraft Java Edition. Before we begin, if you'd like to download any of the mods featured in this video, all of the download links will be in the description down below. And if you don't know how to install mods, you can click the eye in the top right corner, which will lead you to a video tutorial on how to do so. And now without further ado, let's get into the mods. For the first mod on the list, we have the Crewmates mod. If you're a fan of the Among Us game, you're going to love this mod. This mod adds in the crewmates from the recent massively trending game Among Us. These little spacemen carry a variety of different supplies that could help you on your journeys. The crewmates aren't hostile unless you attack them. They aren't very strong, but will definitely put up a fight. Keep in mind, however, that not all the crewmates are as they may appear. There could be an imposter among them. So make sure that the crewmate you're interacting with is not an imposter, or else that imposter could be the cause of your death. This mod is such a cool way to incorporate Among Us in Minecraft and have the best of both worlds. For the next mod on the list, we have Alex's mobs. This mod adds in over 15 different mobs to the game. All of these mobs fall into two categories, which include real-world creatures such as grizzly bears, roadrunners, orcas, and more, or fictional creatures such as the Endergade and warped frog. But regardless of this, none of the mobs feel out of place in Minecraft. This mod definitely helps make the environment of your game feel more alive, as it adds many different creatures that can be found around your world. All of those creatures have a specific purpose and unique drops, mechanics, or functions. Rare or endangered animals don't have drops that can be obtained only through death. Most of them drop their items when doing a specific action. Many of these drops and items can be used to craft unique weapons, arrows, and potions. Most of the animals added are not hostile, but they can be provoked by distance or by attacking them, just like polar bears and piglins. However, most of the unique mobs are hostile. Once you create and join a new world, you will be given an animal dictionary, which should help you get some more insight on all the mobs you can find, as well as more information about each one of them. Next, we have the Genetic Animals mod. This mod adds real genetics. Basically, if you breed two animals together, their offspring is a product of their parents' genes, and each animal's variation in size, color, shape, meat drops, leather drops, egg colors, wool production, milk production, and more are determined by their genes rather than by random chances. The current animals that have genetic versions include chickens, cows, including mushrooms, sheep, llamas, pigs, and rabbits. Some animals even have new drops, increased drops, or would lose drops they would normally have. You can even create real-life breeds and cross them together to see what results from it. All breeds and crossbreeds are possible with this mod. Animals in the wild are more likely to have variations depending on the biomes they spawn in, so while exploring you will come across many varieties. With the new models added, they are definitely a huge improvement over vanilla Minecraft's models, but without breaking from the original look of the game that we're all used to. There's also a new game mechanic added. The animals in this mod require food to provide resources such as milk, eggs, wool, and more to also carry a pregnancy. If the animals are provided with good space and grass, they will happily feed themselves, so make sure you give that type of environment to your animals whenever possible. Animals also sleep during the night, and while sleeping, if the animals are not hungry, then they will heal themselves. Before we move on to the rest of the mods, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can enjoy more content from Server.pro and never miss a new video. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. Next up, we have the Aquaculture mod. This mod enhances the marine life of the game. Aquaculture adds in over 30 different new fish that can be found in the wild and can be caught with a fishing rod. You can capture the fish with the vanilla fishing rod, or you can use the new rods added with this mod, which also allow you to equip hooks and bait. Customized fishing lines and bobbers are also available to make your fishing rod truly unique. I think this mod is super cool as it really expands the game's ocean life by adding new types of fish, and also makes the fishing experience a lot more fun than how it is originally. Each biome type, including modded biomes, have new types of fish that'll spice up your fishing process and your world with new fish swimming around in rivers, ponds, and oceans. The fish caught can be turned into fish fillets. The amount of fish fillets depends on the type of fish. In addition to all that, you can obtain shiny new loot while fishing. And now for the final mod of this video, we have the Merpig mod. Merpig is a very simple mod that adds a water version of the pig. The Merpig will spawn randomly in oceans and deep oceans. The mod can swim around the water and be saddled to ride on while using a seagrass on a stick to guide it towards the direction you want to go in. A seagrass on a stick can be crafted using a fishing rod and seagrass. This mod is a really creative way to add a source of transportation underwater and in a fun way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to try out these mods for yourself and perhaps along with some friends, check out Server.pro using the link in the description down below. Until next time!